In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook profile private. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, open Facebook's then here is tap profile icon in this bottom right corner and tap on settings, and after that, as you can see, here is tool and resources. So first option is privacy checkup. Tap on privacy checkup, and here is lots of options, but you need to select who can see what you share. So just tap on, and here showing continue. After that, first option is email address. So you can change to public, to friend, or to only me, to make private. Then date of birth, currently selected to friends or friends, so select only me to make private, and also select year, so make it only me, and hometown also you can everything make private like this. Then if you select other thing also you can then tap on next, and default audience, currently it's selected as a public. You can select it friends accept, or more option is a specific friend or only me. If you select only me, then next or future post will be selected as a only me, so no one see your future post. So story also at the same time, and limit fast post, you can limit your fast post. Then tap on next, and you can block someone so that do not see your post. So after that, tap on next and review other topic here. So that's mean you will all set, your Facebook will be private. So that way you make your Facebook profile private. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, if you need, so pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.